Crowdfire Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Crowdfire and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Crowdfire is primarily known as a social media management tool, but it also offers dropshipping and e-commerce integrations. It helps automate content posting, product promotions, and engagement, making it useful for online store owners who rely on social media for traffic. Crowdfire allows you to connect multiple platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, letting you schedule product posts and analyze engagement. Who is it for? Crowdfire is ideal for dropshippers who focus on organic traffic via social media rather than paid ads. If you manage multiple stores and want an all-in-one tool for marketing automation, this can be a helpful addition. Key features include automated post scheduling, content curation, competitor analysis, and a simple interface that makes it easy to manage product promotions across different channels. Now, the strengths. Crowdfire simplifies social media marketing by letting you find and share content related to your niche, schedule posts in bulk, and track engagement. It supports multiple platforms, including Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The UI is beginner-friendly, and the analytics help you understand what's working. Weaknesses? Crowdfire isn't a complete dropshipping solution. It doesn't handle product sourcing, inventory management, or order fulfillment. It's mainly a marketing tool. The free plan is very limited, and advanced features require a paid subscription. Also, while it automates social media, it lacks deep customization options that some competitors offer. Final verdict: Crowdfire is a solid tool for dropshippers who rely on organic social media growth, but it's not a full-fledged dropshipping platform. If you need marketing automation and social media management, it's worth considering. If you're looking for a complete dropshipping solution with sourcing and fulfillment, you'll need another tool. Check the links in the description for recommendations.